Welcome to our channel. Roku device having issues? Follow these comprehensive troubleshooting steps to fix connection errors and streaming problems. Step 1. Check all cable connections first. Ensure HDMI and power cables are securely connected to Roku and TV. Step 2. Restart your Roku device. Go to Settings, System Restart, or unplug for 10 seconds. Step 3. Verify internet connection strength. Go to Settings, Network, check connection to test your Wi-Fi signal. Step 4. Update Roku software manually. Navigate to Settings, System Update to install latest version. Step 5. Reset network connection settings. Go to Settings, Network, set up connection, and reconfigure Wi-Fi. Step 6. Check for overheating issues. Ensure Roku has proper ventilation and isn't too hot to touch. Step 7. Try different HDMI port on TV. Switch to another HDMI input to rule out port-specific problems. Step 8. Factory reset as last resort. Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory reset if nothing else works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.